All right, so me and the Schmoops, we're back on the road again, me and Watana, and we're up by, where are we?
Nippon Temple.
Nippon Temple.
Yeah.
And on the side of the road, we just passed the entrance for Nippon Temple. We see all this laterite piled up here and some stone. And in the background, we got some gentlemen, they're just having lunch. And they all work here. And what they did is basically the larger laterite came from where, sweetie?
From Kampong Thom province.
Kampong Thom province.
Yeah.
They get it in, and it's already cut in these big pieces, and then they cut them down to size for what's required. And this is for repairing the which we're going to go after this. So just to show, you know, it comes here, big chunks, then they make them smaller, the same as the stone. The stone over here, right, they chisel that away and make it to a certain size. You can see all the spent stone. Then they take it down, I guess, on this cart. So we'll go around this one because I don't want to disturb the gentleman there. But they load it up, I guess, on this cart, right? And they got that little trail, so here we go, whittle it down, throw it on the cart, and then with the cart, I guess you got a bunch of people, and they manhandle it down here to the water. Right, so this cart comes down this little path. Down here you can see the wheel marks. Almost wiped out there. And they bring it out here. This little pier they made. Be careful here. And look at this. They take the brick, big block, they put it here.
That's also the one in the small boat.
Yeah. They load it up on the small boats, well, I guess one piece at a time, and then they take it over there where those people are on the far side, because there's a temple way over there, and that's what these big blocks are for.
Around.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Wow. But quite the rig. But they must have done this like, you know, almost 1,000 years ago, the same sort of idea. You know? Like they must have had like a boat, something like this, something they put on to bring over there. How they bring all the material on. I don't think that little walkway was there before, but we'll see. We'll go see. Because if they just had the walkway there, then they would just use the walkway, right? Why not just, you know, bring all the bricks across that way? But for some reason, I don't think they are, right? They're putting it on these little canoe-type boats. They're sort of put together. Yeah. Otana wants to go for a boat ride. Oh! No fear, no fear. Yeah, I know. They're all sort of nailed together. Just be careful there. Jeez. What a savage. Huh? And the chain fall. Interesting. Okay, now be careful, Schmoop. Jeez. Odd. Yeah. Snake, bunch of pits full of snakes under there. Oh, look here, eh? Look, see the
Water lily.
water lily, yeah? And then you can eat that stem, right?
Yes.
The stem of the water lily they eat, not the flower
Red
though.
soup.
The flower, that's a Buddha flower too, isn't it?
No.
Oh, this type, not the Buddha flower.
Yeah.
Oh.
Lotus flower. Lotus flower.
Right. Anyways, we just came a little side stop because I drove by here a couple times. I'm wondering, what are they doing? And it's all fresh laterite. It's not all, worn and dark, and eroded, and interesting. All right, we're gonna go to that temple now. It's just around the corner.
យើងដាប់អីរួចអស់ហើយយើងបញ្ជូនទៅតាមទូកហ្នឹងមែនទេបងហើយម្ដងមួយម្ដងមួយម្ដងពីរមនុស្ស4នាក់already cut a little bit and send to temple for the 2 stone. One time 2 stone and
Right.
4 people in the small boat.
Wow.
Yeah, for one time.
So 2 blocks and 4 people
Yeah.
to manage the blocks of stone. Eh? Oh, very cool. Very cool.
ហើយថ្ងៃនេះបានប្រមាណគ្រាប់ហើយបងតាមពីព្រឹកមកបាន6ហើយ From the morning get 6 stone.
6 stone all day.
Yeah.
Wow. And how do they? What tools do they use to break? They have a little hammer or?
ហើយបានអីនេះខាត់ទៅអាចឲ្យគាត់មើលទៅបានអីដាក់ទៅដែកដាក់បងអញ្ចឹងគាត់ហាញគាត់បន្តិចបានហើយរបៀបដែកដាក់ដាក់ទៅទូដែរមើល
Oh, they do it by hand.
Yeah.
By hand, hammer and chisel.
Yeah.
Wow.
បង្ហាញ
Okay. Piece of rebar. Wow.
អញ្ចឹងប្រើម៉ាស៊ីន
Piece
ណាស់ទេ
serrated on it.
មកទិញប្រើវាស្វានមិនតែទៅដល់កន្លែងធ្វើក្នុងនោះ
make by hand and by machine but sometimes the small by hand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. A lot of work. Well, there you go. And 6 a day. Huh. 6 a day. And that's from here. Already pretty well the right size. You can see here how much they have to take off. Probably 2-3 inches almost. Right? So we hammer away.
I think that
Yeah, like here, right? Here to here, they take all this off. Right? To make it a certain
that's
size.
one from hand.
Mhm.
No, from machine. That's
Yeah.
from hand.
Wow. Cool. Okay. Well, it just goes to show you how long it takes. 6 blocks a day and 4 guys to move it, but there's more than 4 people working here. I count, I don't know, 8 motos, maybe 6-8 people. 6 a day, wow. And no, they're using steel chisel, right? Rebar. They use steel chisel. And once in a while they said they use machine, but mostly by hand. No, like, they say they build Angkor Wat in 40 years. They do 6 blocks a day. Like 8 guys working, 4 guys to move it. But
No,
only 6 a
Tim
day.
said from the morning.
Yeah.
Get 6 stone
Yeah.
to the temple.
Exactly.
Maybe after lunch. Maybe 6 more.
Oh, I thought all day.
Yeah.
Seems like a lot, Yeah, about 8, 9 moto. 8-10 people working here. Okay, well, we're just gonna go. Actually, we're gonna go right there on the horizon, there on the street where the cones are, is really the entrance to that temple that's on the island. So we're gonna go there today and check that out.